In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate Leica Mobile SIM card Netherlands. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly activate any Leica Mobile SIM card. So, usually this will be done by simply inserting the SIM card into your mobile device. So, all that you have to do is grab the SIM card after it has been unbox, and insert it into your mobile device. There's no secret to this. If you have never installed one, usually there's going to be a SIM tray that you open with a specialized tool, you insert the SIM card and then reboot your device. Now, this should automatically activate the SIM card, but if it doesn't work, then you might have one additional step to do. Visit the website. On the website, open the menu by clicking on these lines here, and then under Already with Leica, choose Registration. This page might take a while to load and you can follow along on a web browser on your computer or your phone. And finally, you can register your own My Leica mobile account. Again, usually this isn't going to be needed, but if you notice that even after you insert the SIM card into your device, it doesn't activate on its own, then visit the website and do this. In here, you will input your Leica mobile number, choose a secret question, and enter all of your personal details. Now, of course, because this is all sensitive information, I cannot showcase the entire process on the screen, but you will input first name, last name, PUK code, email address, contact number, and so on. It's all very intuitive. With all of this done, you will be registered to use an account and consequently it is going to be active. Now you can once again reboot your device and you should receive an SMS detailing your phone or mobile number. If it doesn't work or you would like to check it again at any time, dial 102 hash or 97 hash. Either of these numbers being dialed here should also display the phone number on screen. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you activate your Leica mobile SIM card, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.